On our website landing page, customers and designers can get an overview of what the platform is about, gain insights on our customer and designer offerings, and get links to the latest news in interior design. Prior to signing up, visitors can explore and browse our designer profiles and online studios while also looking into the customer tab to see the personalized services available. Customers can start their journey by creating their profile, leading to customer creation of a virtual design box, which customers can update with their preferences, budget, and style sort. When designers sign up, their profiles will be linked to social media tools in order to allow them to gain greater publicity and for completed projects to be shared. Designers can create their online studio whilst also looking at the online portfolio of other designers for inspiration. This platform also offers the opportunity for designers to network with each other. Designers will be ranked later on the leaderboard in terms of customer satisfaction. Customer designers can also gather more information by participating in the Design Hub, which incorporates our furniture partners, design trend news and discussion and forums. To ensure payment security, PayPal was set up, allowing all package transactions to offer greater reliability for both consumers and designers.